Hey everyone, it's Adam Helfman from Hire It Done. It's springtime and I'm going to give you some projects that are going to get your house ready for the summer. Okay, so number one is outdoor entertainment. And let me just say this. It's my prediction that this is going to be the number one project this year because people are cocooning. That's the staycation, okay? They don't want to go out. They want to stay home. They want to relax. They want to have a part of their house, outdoor environment that brings the indoors out. So whether it's a gazebo, a portico, an awning, a screened-in porch, and those are the items and projects that you want to start focusing on to enjoy this summer. So one way to expand your living space is with an outdoor upgrade. Adding a covered deck or patio with an outdoor kitchen, lighting, a fireplace, and comfortable seating, it creates an inviting area for entertaining and lounging in the warmer months. Some people will opt for screening in their porch. If you live in an area where summer means swarms of bugs, high pollen count, consider upgrading your patio or porch with screened windows or walls. Fixed or retractable screening will provide a comfortable retreat from insects, protection from allergies, without sacrificing fresh air and the good views. As always, kitchen renovations run in the top of the list of home improvement projects, but let's get it planned and let's get it started for this year. Summer entertaining season is right around the corner. It's a time when kitchens get a workout. Think about modernizing your kitchen space with new cabinetry, countertops, lighting, or appliances. And if you're looking to do a complete new kitchen, now's the time to think about energy efficient windows. As you always know, and the great Glenn Hagee once said, the best window is the one that's installed properly. So when you're looking for windows for your home, remember this. All the window companies have a good, better, best, and all of them make really good windows. The key for you, the homeowner, is to make sure that the company you're hiring to do your windows has the best installers. Because if you install a very great window and you do it wrong, guess what? It's worthless. I want you to have the best window. And the best window, my friends, is the one that's installed properly. Remember that. Another project that you need to start now for the spring to get ready for summer would be landscaping. Curb appeal is always something that you need to be attentive to and make sure that your house has it. Stay ahead of it because it can catch up with you pretty quickly. A front yard spruce up is pretty simple. Warmer temperatures and longer days create ideal growing conditions for many types of plants. If you want a low maintenance yard that won't have hours of upkeep, look to native species, perennials, and container gardens with hardy and easy to care plants. Here's an amenity that's more of a luxury than a necessity, but many people are doing this, and I know this because I have some great electricians and some outdoor lighting contractors who specifically do outdoor lighting. That's a very popular project for the spring. A well-planned outdoor lighting scheme is an investment worth making. It creates a magical atmosphere at night, increases your home safety, and allows you and your guests to enjoy your outdoors in the evening. Projects that include strategic lighting upgrades, such as front path and step lighting that makes it easier to navigate safely to the front door, landscape spotlights to highlight special features against the house, maybe your address marker, or if you have a brand new deck in the back, you might want to light the walkway and light the steps. Very easily done, and it's not a bad project and not that expensive if planned properly. Another popular project that you might want to consider is closet organization. After you've done all the spring cleaning, after the kids have gone out to college and they're away, it's time to take a look at your closets and see how you can become more efficient and organize them better. Maybe even declutter. One of the keys to closet organization is maximizing storage space. Adjustable racks, built-in shelving, pull-out hampers, shoe storage, and customized lighting will always help you get the most out of your closets. Here's a quick closet organization tip. Pack away off-season clothing, meaning if it's springtime, put away all your sweaters and your winter items, pack them properly, store them, and then bring them back in the fall. Having that done opens up more space, makes it more efficient, and relieves a little bit of anxiety. If you like this type of home improvement chat, all you got to do is subscribe to the YouTube channel, which is below, or visit hireitdone.com, and all of our content is there.